everyone, it's summer and I'm back with another video. So welcome back to my channel, and if you can't tell, I'm a little bit glitzed up again today because I've just been super excited to get ready for festival season, and I literally just uploaded a video doing a festival makeup look, so make sure you go check that out. So yeah, today I wanted to do a few hairstyles intended for a festival. Obviously they can be worn wherever, however you feel like, but they're going to be inspired by festival looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do about 3 or 4 different looks, and there's someone at the door. So if you're not already, make sure you subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that thumbs up too. This whole next few months is all going to be summer inspired. Mostly it's going to be summer inspired videos. So if you're like me and you love the summer, then welcome. Be a part of my fam. One quick side note as well. If you're wondering where I am, because this is not my usual surrounding. I'm up in Oxford at the minute at my boyfriend's house. So I'm just using his lounge at the minute as my little video space, but that is why the background looks different. So first things first, I'm going to be applying this in my hair, and this is the L'Oreal Matte and Messy Sea Salt Spray, and I absolutely adore this. It's amazing. It's great when you just want to give your hair a little bit of texture, and it kind of gives it those like natural waves. So I tend to just spray it in, mainly in my roots, and I just scrunch it, and it just gives it that nice like kind of natural beachy wave look. Okay, so now I've applied all of that sea salt spray in my hair and I'm happy with the texture. I'm just going to part my hair in a middle parting. So now it is parted directly in the middle. I am just going to go ahead and back comb my hair. When I do this, I grab a comb and I pull the section that I want to back comb, I pull it up, and I just gently pull the hair down at the roots. And I don't go too full on with this, I literally just to give it a little bit of volume. Grab the other sections that I'm going to be putting up into a little space bun and do the same thing. This actually looks mental when you do this. I quite like to just brush it through afterwards with a big comb so it's not so... Sometimes I like to do my crown area too, just to give the back of my hair a little bit of volume. Okay, so now it's all volumized. Look at that little volume there. Basically, go from the root, and I'm going to make a line down here and pull this front section separate to the rest of my hair. And I'm going to do the same on the other side so we have even pieces of hair at the front. So now all you do is you pull the hair up. Then I like to kind of brush it into place, and then I like to pull out a little bit of hair. I always find it's good to do this now rather than afterwards, because sometimes once you've done it and then you want to pull out a bit of hair, pull out too much and then it's just like ruins it. So then I'm just going to pull it up and put a hairband in it. So now we've got it in like a little messy little bun. What I did to put it up was I literally just scrunched it all together and put it in kind of a really rough bun. Now I'm going to go in with some grips and basically pin it down how I want it and just neaten it up a little bit. Pin down the bits that look a bit crazy. So that is that side done. I've literally just put it in a really messy bun and then I've basically gripped it in. I've kind of remolded it by putting in a load of grips and shaping it to how I like it and when I'm happy with it. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So sometimes when I do the bun, I do it like a few times over until I'm happy with how it is, because I don't have any kind of strict way of how I actually do the bun. I literally just grab all the hair, bundle it up and kind of tie a hairband around it. So I think I'm about happy with that. Now I'm just going to take out the rest of my hair, and that is this one done. So I'm actually really pleased with that. I personally quite like it when there's bits of hair coming out and like it looks messy, just because that's the look I was going for. And yeah, that's this one done. So I've got my hair in a middle parting and I'm just brushing my hair back, bringing my hair up to a high ponytail. Okay, so now we're just going to pull out a few bits at the front. Next thing I'm going to do is grab the whole load of hair. I'm going to make one big plait. Yeah, you can wear these hairstyles anywhere really, but particularly I would definitely wear these at a festival. I've just tied it there with a little hairband at the end. It's just simple and a bit extra and a bit cute, so that's this one done. For the last one, we're just going to brush through the hair. We're doing a half up, half down with my fingers, no comb needed. Grabbing a section of my hair, pulling it up halfway, then just with my hands, I'm just gonna grab all the hair and pull it towards the back of my head. Okay, so then again, we're just gonna pull out front bits. And I'm just tying it in a normal pigtail, ponytail, whatever you call it. I like to pull it out a little bit just to make it a little bit messy. I'm just going to grab random sections of my hair and plait them in some little plaits. There's no structure to this, like I said. Literally going in it and going to plait it randomly throughout my hair. So there you have it. That is this one done. Again, just very simple but cute, like definitely festival ready. I really hope that you like this tutorial. I just thought I'd make these really easy and simple, just bearing in mind that if you are at a festival, I know that you can't just spend like hours on your hair. So for me personally as well, I like to just do a simple hairstyle that looks cute, doesn't take too long, and I can just get on and go and listen to some music. So let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love doing these themed videos with like a festival theme, or the theme of just summer in general. Obviously, I'm very much a summer baby, and I love all things summer, funnily enough, because my name is Summer. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, you can hit that bell button to get notified every time that I upload a video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I was like, bye.